Hello everyone, today we would learn how to use onClick listener using Kotlin in Android Studio. There are almost 4 ways to use it, so let's do it. The first way, we would first do it in the activity and then in fragment. So the first way is here create layout for buttons, etc. Whatever you wanna use onClick listener on it. So I have used here buttons here. Look at this. I don't want to waste your time, so I have already used it. Okay. Also in fragment I have used it. So here just create instance for button. So variable button1. Let me reduce it just for 1. Okay. So it won't waste more time. Look here, button 1 equal button this. Okay, now here you connect it with the view. So button 1 find view by id r.id dot button1. Okay, now here button1 dot set onClick listener, and just use this bracket and all this. Okay, so this one is used. And now the second way is here use comma and view dot onClick listener. So now here it's giving error. Look here, it's giving error. So I'll click on this red bulb and implement this method. So which method? On create method. Click on OK. Now here it's implemented. Now change it 0 to view. Okay. Now here just use listener create method for listeners and create this method here. This is created. Now button1 which we have called here is just use here set onClick listener and this is okay. Now when here v question mark dot id equals, so here just here r dot id dot button1. so when it is used these brackets, so whenever we would click on button1, so this would run. Okay, now the third way to do it is here directly in onCreate. I have already done the view binding. So if you can't use view binding, so please watch my last video so you would know how to use it. Just here use this main activity, this name dot button1, directly call that view set onClick listener, and here this is all. Okay, now how to do it in fragment. So just let me copy this. I don't want to do it again and again and don't want to waste your time. Okay, so instead of activity this we would use activity. Okay, and here directly copy this all and use this in onCreate. So here it's giving problem, so use this name. Okay, view dot find view by id, so it would do it. Okay, and now here use this name main fragment, and the listener create this method, and here just what you have to do is copy this, and I don't want to do it again and again. Okay, and comma dot this, copy this. I don't want to do it again I don't want to waste your time, so paste it here and create that function